It is November, brand new month and brand new set of challenges brought to you by Real Life Trading. The trading challenge for the month of November is one directed to me and probably only me. I want you to trade or make a trade from your mobile device. Now, for a lot of you out there, you actually trade primarily from your phone, which I think is crazy. I need my whole system and my setup and my computers and my monitors and everything there. However, I see that as an opportunity to grow, to be flexible, to allow, to make things easier. So if you do not trade from your mobile device or phone at all, that's a trading challenge for the month. Do one trade from your mobile device. And if you do that all the time, this will be an easy challenge for you to check off and complete. Next is your real challenge. This is your physical challenge, and it's going to be a doozy. I want all of my traders out there to do a 100-yard lunge. That's right, it's about 300 feet of just lunges. Now, for myself and a lot of other individuals, this will be quite easy. So if you do think this is really easy for you, post in the comment section below to find out what challenge I'll be giving myself, which will be a little bit longer than 100 yards. But if you've never done a 100-yard lunge before, this is the challenge for you, and I'm excited to see you absolutely dominate it. Okay. Are you ready for the life challenge? There's actually going to be two, and one's very easy and one's a lot more challenging. This particular challenge for the life is going to be in the month of November. I want you to focus on your driving and do your absolute best to remove all tension, pressure, rage, and emotion of any kind in your driving. I've been practicing this recently because I've been known to say, I am so stress-free in all aspects of my life except traffic. That's like one of those apostrophes that I slide in there and say, except for, and it's always traffic or lines or waiting or being patient on other people. So this month, allow, receive, release control. And when you are in one of those elements, when you're in traffic, take deep breaths and calm yourself, calm your nerves. Do not allow that tension, that rage that sometimes, maybe I'm by myself here, that sometimes I would feel in certain situations in traffic, okay? That's gonna be a easy challenge. The hard one, I want you to finish that book that you're writing. Since November is Nom de Plume Month, what that actually means is pen name month, or the month of the pen. I want you to focus on finishing an ebook, a autobiography, a page, a report, a resume, a resignation letter. What is it that you need to write? I'm working on a book right now. Most of you know this. I'm actually working on 3 books, but one of my books I'm working on is called Master Yourself, Master the Markets, Real Life Trading Psychology. I'm working on that, and I'll be dedicating so much of November to finishing that book so that in 2022 I can send off to my editing team. So bottom line, finish the book that you need to create, whatever it is for you. Maybe it's a business plan. Maybe it's an outline for your budget for 2022. What is it? Take time, write everything out, put pen to paper, and get those creative juices flowing. And Svetlana Newsome, I'm calling you out as well. She wants to complete one of her books and actually start and finish one of her projects. And it's gonna take her a little bit longer than 1 month, but this is the month I want you to start. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you with me on this? Beautiful. That is the November challenges for the month. Thank you so much for being here. You rock.